Morning students, today we have to discuss that is the continuation of module number 5. In the last class we discussed that lathe and milling machine. This also same. Here we have to use computer, that is CNC and NC machine. We call that is computer numerical control and NC machine. Question arise, what is computer numerical control? Okay, as the name it is, computer numerical control means computer means you have to adopt the program in the computer. Based on that, how you have to adopt the program, based on that you have to done the operation. That may be lathe operation, that may be turning, threading, boring. All operation can be performed with the help of computer. Therefore CNC means, how to define, it is an automated control of machining tools. Okay, that is machining tools means what? Lathe, milling tools. Okay, same, whatever to doing the same thing. Okay, by a computer. Program can be written in coded form. Here whatever the program can be inserted, we have to write in the coded form. Okay, that means here we have to suppose that depth of cut is 5 mm. Okay, you have to give that depth of cut as 5 mm in the computer. Okay, this is in general computer numerical control. Similarly, numerical control. What numerical control? As the name indicates, numerical means what? Number. Here we have to write the program in the by using numbers, letters and symbols. Therefore we call numerical control. Therefore the operation of the machine tool, that same lathe, milling tools can be controlled by writing the program in the form of number, letter and symbol. Okay, by seeing that difference here in the second point, what happened, the difference comes CNC and NC. It is important, that is in CNC what is that, here we input the program in computer. In NC machine what happened, input the program in punch tape card. The main difference. In CNC you have to write directly in the program in the computer only. In numerical control, here you have to write the program in punch tape card. Okay, in computer numerical control what happen, you know that computer means you have to write the program, means at any time you have to change the parameter. Okay, therefore here operation parameters like cutting speed, depth of cut, all that can be changed based on operation computer numerical control. But in NC what happen, we can't change the operation parameter because we have to insert the program punch tape card already. Okay, therefore here in NC we don't change the operation parameter. In computer numerical control, next difference is what, here the program can be stored in the computer memory. Okay, no problem. In NC machine there is no storage. Initially you have to store in the punch tape card. Okay, there is no storage. In NC cost is more because the computer, more maintenance. Okay, accuracy also more because you have to use that computer. In numerical control, less cost, less maintenance, less accuracy. Last important point, for completing operation it requires less time as compared to NC machine. Why? Because see here, in NC machine for completing the operation it requires more time, because in computer here it perform all the operation with smooth time, in less time compared to NC machine. Okay, the in general CNC and NC. Now discuss next, that is what is the block diagram of NC machine. Here it is important that here generally it consists of three components: program of instruction, control unit, machine tool. Okay, these all three are interrelated with one. First is what? Program of instruction. As the name indicates, it acts as an input. Okay, whatever data is there you have to input. Means here program of instruction means it is a detailed step by step of instruction which tell the machine what to do. Means suppose you want cutting speed as 3 mm, write here speed RPM as 300 mm. That means you have to input the program. Therefore cutting program of instruction. Based on that it send the signal, that store in the signal in the punch tape card. Okay, now this is just program of instruction. Next is what? Program of instruction means just you have to write the input. Controller unit means what? It takes the program from the program of instruction. Okay, already you will insert the program in the punch tape card. Okay, means here controller unit main function is what? it reads and interprets the program of instruction, means it takes the signal from the program of instruction, it reads and convert into mechanical action of that machine tool. Mechanical action of machine tool means what? Which operation you want. Suppose boring, turning, threading also. Suppose already I put that spindle RPM 300 RPM. Based on that, spindle can be rotated. Okay, controller it's take the signal and that sends to the machine tool. Okay, therefore tape reader is what? It is electromechanical device. It reads the program of instruction. Okay. Next, machine tool. It is important that all operation can be performed in the machine tool. Okay. See here, this is the in general machine tool. Okay. Here it consists of work table. This is your work table. This is the work table. Okay. And spindle, motors, all things based on instruction taken from controller unit, it perform the operation. Means suppose whatever you want, turning, maybe threading, based on that whatever you have to input the program of instruction in the first step program of instruction. Okay, based on that machine tool makes that operation. In general block diagram. Okay, components. Next we discuss that robots. I think all of you familiar with the robots. Robot means what? It is same, I think all are familiar, that is a here programmable, it is a programmable machine that designed to execute one or more task. Okay, here same, you have to write the program in the machine. Okay, previously in computer we have to write in the CNC. Here we have to write the program in the machine that designed to execute one or more task. Okay, that task may be, why you have to use robots? Question arises. Suppose wherever human being is not entered in the hazardous environment, means suppose it is chemically smoking, etc., that chemically hazardous to the human being, all things, at that time one is not entered. At that time you have to use robots. Okay, robots consist of mechanical arm which is used to perform various industrial tasks. These robots used that can be used in welding, sealing, painting and handling operation. Okay, next that is robot anatomy. Here by seeing this, it acts as a human being arm. Here it's a joint 1, joint 2, end of arm. Each joint is connected with the help of links. Here there is a link 0, link 1. This is a base. Base is a strong foundation, and from base link 0 means this is input link 0 to the joint 1. Okay, similar link 1 is what? Output link from the joint 1. Okay, link 1 also acts as input link to the joint 2, and link 2 acts as output link from joint 2. Finally that is transferred to the end of arm. Okay, next that is robot configuration. Here in robot configuration, this button, that is how the robot can move. Generally there are 3 configuration: Cartesian, cylindrical, polar. First, Cartesian configuration. Here this is the arm. The robot arm can be moved in x direction. Here this is the x. Here the symbol is there. This is the x. This is the arm, x direction. Here also y direction is the y, like this, and it's the z, like this. Your robot can be perform the operation. In cylindrical, next is or cylindrical means this also same. It travels in horizontal and vertical in the form of circular. It rotates here. Okay, therefore it is cylindrical configuration. Polar configuration means what? Robot can rotate with respect to vertical axis. Here rotational travels rotational action. Radial means like this, robot can travel vertical. Okay, so this is the in general robot configuration. Okay, thank you.